Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video on the 335, guys. So this is one of the few that we're actually going to be wrapping up the whole car with. Actually, what did I even say? Anyways, so we're going to be getting to the front end finally. We pretty much completed the whole car. The only thing that we need is that rear door handle that needs to be black. The front bumper, we're going to be trying to do the entire bumper today, which is going to be kind of crazy. We do the door handle another day. These two door handles probably in another day, not right now. But then we're going to be focused on the bumper. These grills, we're going to end up dipping them. So we'll do that also another day, because this bumper is just removing it, the process, and just trying to make it 50-50 is going to be a pain in my booty because of all the overlays and everything doing. But we're going to show you guys step by step, because the bumper is the hardest part. I want to make sure you guys can do it if you guys want to start wrapping. So without further ado, let's get this bad boy off.
give in to the lesser fight. My body aches to be be satisfied. My weakness comes and goes. My weakness comes and goes. I'm reaching out for the easy high. Please fortify this strength of mine. My weakness comes and goes. My weakness comes and goes.
Alright guys, this is the next morning. I'm over here with the car, pulled her outside. We're going to be doing a little bit of a... Okay, so I'm going to be honest with you guys. So I ordered some hydro dipping supplies right there. I got like the carbon fiber. Let me show you guys real quick. I got like the clear coat, base coat, you know, all the cans, the masks, the prep, carbon fiber, everything. I was going to actually start doing some hydro dipping to the grills. That's why the grills are not on the car right now, but I noticed that I'm missing 2 cans that were supposed to be included in the bundle when I purchased this. So I'm reaching back out to him, see if he can send me a partial refund so I can go get those cans in person, and hopefully we can get those grills on soon, because I don't want to put the grills on now because then I have to remove them. The way to remove them, you have to remove the bumper. I'm not really trying to go through all that. So you know what? It looks good right now anyways. Doesn't really hurt to just leave it off. But yeah, in the meantime, car is looking great. I'm gonna be trying to do a little bit of aesthetic things here and there in the near future. Just like, for example, I'm just gonna be painting those rims black for now. They look better than those. These get dirty super quick, so I'm just gonna paint them black. Door handles, I'm gonna match both sides. Girls, of course, gonna be hydro dipping it. Diffuser, gonna be hydro dipping it. But yeah, guys, on the future video, that concludes this video. I know it's kind of short, but I wanted to basically just show you guys how to do a bumper in this video, because the bumper is really hard, and you guys can see I did menu overlays and then the 50-50 in the end. Honestly, took about 2 days. Well, of course, with a lot of breaks. You know, your boy, he has annoying cousins. I'm kidding. I love my cousins, but you know, always when they say you want to go do something, I'm just like, yo, I'm down. You know, that's something I need to kind of like lay off a little bit, but I like hanging out with them, so you know, that's what happens. But yeah, it took about like 5 hours the first day and about another 5 hours the next day. I know that's kind of like an absurd number, but that's because for me, I wanted to like pretty much perfect the bumper, and it came out really good. Like, I love the way it looks. It has no peeling right now because of obviously the multiple layers. If I made it all like one piece on both sides, it would have been peeling like crazy. But anyways, guys, that concludes the video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button. If you guys want to see the rest of the car getting wrapped up, make sure to smash the like button. We have a new project coming soon. It's kind of crazy to say. I was not expecting it, but my brother, you know, coming clutch. He was gonna get a Civic so we can get a daily going, but I told him we'll go 50-50 on a Civic down the road. For now, you know, you should get your baby. And he's like, you know what, Nour? I 100% agree with you. So if he agrees with me, I agree with you guys. You know, everyone agrees with each other. We got a new project on the channel. Give it a few weeks, maybe even a couple days. We never know. Anyways, smash the like button. See you guys in the next one. Remember to stay humble. Peace out.
She got me saying, yalla, baby, I need you to see me. Quick with the front and then put your guard down, girl, we know you ain't easy. She got me saying, yalla, baby, I need you to see me. Quick with the front and then put your guard down, girl, we know you ain't easy. You know, you're all